Hello and welcome to Canon Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this old Pavoni espresso machine, and you can see how the heating element melted. Pretty mangled, pretty bad. And we had to actually, it was already definitely melted when we pulled it out, but we had to kind of maneuver it to get it out of there. And let's go ahead and test it. Nice strong steam, hot water, and hot water from the deep. Oops, forgot there's no hose on this machine. But there should be. So thank you for pairing with Canon Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.